Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you going on?
Everything good, thank you.
Now you are in your home?
No, no, work
It's office?
at the bakery.
Oh, it's our store. Oh,
Uh,
lovely.
Thank you.
That's great. Okay, so I have decided to change the Google Tag Manager container. I have just download the snippet of the old one and prepare
You
a
could not
new.
find a reason?
I was struggling for that. I can see the code, but I do not know why is actually it is staying hiding. Only maybe the developer who has prepared this store, he can only the place where he injected the code manually.
So
So
we
the
have to change the container.
yeah, so the best decision is changing Google Tag Manager code. Also, there I have some custom HTML snippet there, and I have just copy and paste there in the new one. And
Okay.
then I have tested it. All things are working properly now.
And one day, can we also compare the data from Square Analytics to the Google Analytics to see if they are
Yeah,
matching
yeah. We can do that. Uh,
after 1 week?
at least 7 days we have to provide
At
that.
least. So why do we need premium
One
for
second.
this?
So this one is
My
connected now.
question is that, yeah, do you hear me now?
Yeah, I'm hearing clearly.
My question is, why do we need premium for a Square?
So with the free version, it is covering all one need now.
But I remember I paid for the premium. Um,
But let me show you. Let's check what is the advantage of the premium. So this is our Lavender's Bakery tracking
uh,
information, and here you can see this is the free. And
okay.
if we
Uh,
can you see my screen?
yeah, I'm seeing. So yeah, press upgrade. Press upgrade. It's okay.
If I click on the upgrade, then it is asking me that they will cost us $79 per month
But
annually.
do you see? Yeah, but do you see? It says my current plan is 79. So I already have it.
Yeah, it's a current plan. So why it is saying us it's free?
I don't know. That's what I said. I'm paying $79 per month.
Okay. So I think we have to contact with their support.
I think that's a glitch in their website.
Yeah, we have to contact
Already
their
premium.
support also.
Yeah, we are also premium.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I think today I will send a message to the authority of the Square support team, and I am interested to talk with them. Actually, this area, why this is not helping us. They are saying that you can use this following variable in the order receipt page. Add tracking pixel, more details information about your customer tracking in the receipt page. But these variables not helping me. That's why I have to prepare a new custom code.
Also, as a bonus, you can also add 15, 20 minutes teaching me how to analyze the data over there.
Yeah. Obviously, for the video call, I do not charge actually.
Yeah. Today here is very loud, but when you design the reports, I want to we learn how we can improve our website
Yeah,
uh, or
I will help you to show how to analyze the report and how to generate a marketing decision.
exactly. And if a customer comes and filled half of the form, for example, they receive one email with a coupon,
Hmm.
or we show them there are ads that here is 15% coupon if you order your custom order now, or something like that.
Mm, yes, that is also possible.
Or we send them that, hey, put your email to get the vetting guide or the custom guide, or Anything that you
Mainly,
think.
mainly the things that you are discussing is not report, it's the audience. So we have to make audience. Can you hear me clearly today?
Yes, yes, yes.
So basically, we have to prepare an audience that do add to cart but not purchase.
Yeah, yeah,
The
exactly.
audience that do add to cart but begin checkout also, but they have not completed the successful purchase.
Yeah, yeah,
So this
yeah,
audience, I will prepare it in the Google Analytics. Our analytics is connected to the Google Ads, and the audience library will be shared with the analytics and advertising
yeah,
platform.
yeah, yeah.
The
And
same thing, the same thing we are going to prepare in Meta platform, Meta audience section also.
yeah, and
And
oh,
in the
and also
meantime,
you
do
need,
you do?
sorry, also you need to send me a gig for setting up the shop for Instagram.
Yeah, shop. We have discussed about the shop setup. Okay, so before report setup, we have to go to the shop setup. Okay, so okay, then we are going to include this in our order. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Instagram shop, Facebook shop, but when I try to make the integration, it says
Hmm.
already existing, but I don't see any shop. I couldn't set it up at all, in the past. But for
Okay,
the group,
no.
I'm not sure if they have integration, any kind of integration.
Okay, so let's at first let's complete the Google Analytics reporting and the Meta
And
shop.
and and
Then
shop,
in
and
the
then we
next
will
part,
focus on.
we'll go to the Google Shopping also. But for
Okay,
that,
yeah,
actually, right now, all of my Google Shopping campaign running at this moment. Most of the clients are long distance jewelry business, then the product, then the bedding
so
accessories.
let me tell you something. Uh, Instagram lets us also add shipping in addition to local delivery.
Hmm.
So for some items, just like macarons, some cookies, a few items, we can also add the shipments that we can ship also. So we
Okay,
can work on those kind of things.
okay, understand.
I tell you, for example, I add 10 of my items. I create 10 kind of boxes, cookie box, for example, just like cookie
Yeah.
box, we name it something, and we put that for Google Shop for shipment.
Okay, so when I complete this meeting today, actually, I will go
So
research
first, as
and
you said, first let's finish the reporting and
yeah,
Instagram shop, and then in the future we can do
actually,
this
yeah,
together.
and personally, I need to research. Actually, I need to find other business that might very relevant to us, and they are doing the Google Shopping in the shopping feed also. Then
Yeah.
I will be confident that we should follow that way, and we can arrange that one
Yes.
also.
Yes.
It was working
Okay.
in this way.
Okay. After you do this, then we will. Meanwhile, I'm going to write all of my business needs, and then one day you also have your plan. Also, I give my needs, and then we will
Yeah,
design a plan together.
yeah, exactly. So also in the meantime, I will send you an onboarding request, onboarding questionnaire form.
Sure.
Okay,
Perfect.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a good time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.